Welcome back to a review for the Ryobi 480E. A few years ago I posted a video about how good these machines are when it comes to cutting the lawn, and I'm going to show you exactly uh, what it does. And without further ado, I will go ahead and start mowing, and I will post a video, and you guys, if you have any comments, go ahead, like the page, subscribe to it, and I appreciate any good comments or any bad comments too. We're all open-minded here. So let's go ahead and start mowing. So I'm gonna go ahead and then start the process, and I have it on, normally this is mid, 2, 3, 4. Normally I just go 2 below, but this time I'm just gonna cut a little bit shorter, so that way what kind of job it does. And maybe in the future I will post another one with different levels of cutting. Okay, so here we go. So I have a 2 before the last one, and this is spring. It hasn't the grass hasn't grown too much. We had a lot of snow here in Nebraska, but at the same time, we had a lot of precipitation at some point. We haven't had any rain for a few weeks now, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the lawn. It's pretty dry, so should do for a good cutting, okay, or good mowing. Bye, my friends. Here we go. We're gonna go uphill now. So the turns are not that bad at all. top of the leaves as well, so I'm kind of mulching everything. Alrighty, so now I am going to show you. Oh, there you go. And as soon as you get off the chair, it's a reminder that, you know, the motor is actually on. So here you can actually see a little bit of a difference of probably, you know, what I cut and what is not cut. And let's examine basically this thing here. See, so these are pretty, I don't know if you can see, but you know, if I kind of do this, so the cuts are not that bad. I mean, you can actually just see that right there. See how flat the top is? And I can just keep grabbing anything. See, so the cuts are very even. See that? So I am really happy with my machine after years since I bought it, and it's doing a great job in my lawn, and also mulch, you know, the leaves, and I'm doing it really fast. This is basically what is left after it. So there you go. So the machine, it does a great job for me, and I did cut a little bit of my other lot here so that you guys can see the difference. See, this is actually where I went through the lawn. If you can see here, see how high that is, see how short that is. So I really like the way that is cutting. There you go. Okay, and then that would be next. So if you like the way that this machine does, you know, I can even try to do it when the grass is higher, and it can show you another video in the future. But for what I have done so far, it's a great machine. It's fast, durable. I haven't changed anything on the machine. I only put just air on the tires. You know, no new oil, no nothing. That's what it is, and that's why I bought this machine, because in 3 years I have not spent a single dime on this machine whatsoever. Maybe just blow drying. I mean, blow drying, air blowing the machine, basically just to take the leaves away, and that's it. So I hope you like it. This is what the machine looks after, you know, a couple of years. Very little wear on the tires, just dirty, but that's what I basically just went through, and that's it. If you like it, put any comments, subscribe to the page, and thank you so much for watching. And this is the Ryobi 480E, 2.5 acres, 2.5 hours, but with the battery it's lasting to me between 3 to 4 hours, and which is a great machine. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.